Hello everyone, bonjour à tous. Again, welcome, and this is another video about the French accents or les accents en français. And here we will learn French accent. There are 5 of them. Here you can see 3, and in the next slide we have the other 2. Okay, I will explain to you at the end why they are important and why you have to take care too much about them. Let's learn the first 3. Accent aigu, the first one. It's written above the E, as you can see, and like the words café, été. So here we pronounce the E, okay? Normally in French, if the E is written, we don't pronounce it, okay? But if it has accent, we have to say. Second one is accent grave. Accent grave you can find in the 3 letters here, E, A, U. And like the word père, père, father, la. La means there. Okay, the third one is accent circumflex, and it's written above 5 of the vowels letter A, U, I, O, U. Like the word forêt, forest, and hôpital, hospital. Okay? The last 2 here, tréma, the 2 dots as you can see above the 3 letters E, I, U. Like the word Noel, Christmas, knife, and then this is knife. And when someone says like silly words. Last one here, cédé, which is below the letter C, and like the word garçon and français. Garçon is a boy, français, French as a language or as a nationality. Okay, are they important? Yes, they are very important. Let's talk about this part because it really matters. So here, as we said, we have 5 French accents, right? So here, accent aigu, accent grave, circonflexe, cédé, and then tréma. D'accord? Why they are important? Because they change the pronunciation and sometimes the meaning. So when we should study, when we have any word includes the accents, we have to take care of them. We have to study it with the same accent as a part of the word. It's not a decoration. Let's take an example. There is a verb called parler. Parler means to talk in French. So this is a verb, parler. Okay? That's how we pronounce it. R at the end we don't say. If I write it like this, it is parle. Just parle. I don't say the E. If it is like that with the accent, it is parler. Same pronunciation, like this original form. But here, parler is a verb to speak. And when I say it like that, it's the past tense, which is spoke already. Okay? And sometimes it changes the meaning. Like what? Like when I have the word ou, and then again here, ou. This one is, we'll put accent. Of course, we don't put from our side. The word itself is has accent. And this one without. Ou, with the accent, this one, it means where. But without the accent, it means or. See how it is different, the meaning? Another one, when we say mais, and the same letters, but here 2 dots above the I. Mais here it means but. And with 2 dots, it is corn. Okay? So here, you can see how the meaning is different just because of the accent. So be careful about the pronunciation and about writing the accent. A third or a last one, you know the word boy in French is garçon. Okay? So garçon, the C has cédé here. If I didn't write, it will be garçon, which is totally wrong. Okay? Thank you, and I hope you really enjoyed the lesson, and I hope it is useful. Thank you, and bonne journée. Merci.